Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to Sileo in another episode. The only thing interesting that I've done yesterday was just like millions of people in the world watching Spider-Man premiere at Terminal 21 Pattaya. Other than that, I've been window shopping all around that place. Anyway, I want to take this time to thank all those who wrote me messages this week. I truly appreciate each single one of them. Now I can show y'all what I did today, starting by this morning. First thing first, I try to find some street food for breakfast. And I really like those patanko. They taste like donut with the appearance of ginger roots. After that, I went near the Pattaya sign and done some exercise. And for lunch, I went to the biggest 7-Eleven. Still from the Bali Pier. That's Terminal 21 where I've been to cinema yesterday. And near the White Chai Mongkon, the street food that I found was in this area today. And there it is, the biggest 7-Eleven. I've been here before, but this time I went back to try their novelties and make some shots for y'all. Watch my shorts and y'all will know what I mean by this is an ice coke. That was my lunch, but keep in mind that they got the most to offer for lunchtime among all the 7-Eleven in Pattaya. So that was it. I hope that you'll appreciate this content just like I did making it. Thank you for watching entirely. Shout out to all of my subscribers for your likes, your comments, and your shares. Have a good one. Peace. I'm out.